Hey, Gary Baker here with 30-Minute Marketing. In this video, I want to show you how to get guaranteed approval for dozens of high quality affiliate programs, even if you haven't made a single sale online before. Of course, you already know when you're trying to get approved for offers, for example, over Warrior Plus, you can come to the offers page and you can scroll down and you can look for good offers or offers you think are good, and you can hit the request button, go to that product page, select request approval, fill out these request notes, and then wait for the vendor to contact you or wait for the vendor to establish the fact that yes, you can become an affiliate. But what if you could get guaranteed approval for dozens of quality affiliate programs like this? And that is what this product, link in the description from Tony Newton, is going to allow you to do. It's going to allow you to do affiliate marketing and get approval to affiliate programs, because it just simply sometimes is not that easy, especially when you're a brand new affiliate on a platform like Warrior Plus. This affiliate Rolodex of approved or guaranteed approval products is also going to include some ClickBank products. Now, you know most of the ClickBank products are automatic, but sorting through all of these categories and all of these products can become quite tedious, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. Because you may not know it yet, but there are some hidden gems inside of these programs that do offer guaranteed approval for anyone, even total beginners. And that is where the guaranteed approval Rolodex right here that you're going to get, link in the description, and it's going to break it down by categories or by niches that you see here: health and fitness, make money online, down through travel, website hosting, food and drink. There's also a limited time bonus of how to make your first $1,000 online. This is an exclusive video training course that Tony Newton is going to walk you through how to actually do affiliate marketing and do the thing that everyone needs to do as an affiliate, and that is get traffic. This is the course here, how to make your first $1,000 online. These are going to be the videos, and Tony's going to walk you through each step from the introduction to finding your affiliate offers. Of course, the Rolodex has you covered in this step, creating your funnel pages, setting up your email autoresponder, as well as a real life example. You can get this limited time bonus of how to make your first $1,000 online, plus the guaranteed approval Rolodex with 75 plus affiliate products that you can promote in 7 different niches by clicking the link in the description, which will take you over to this bonus page with a countdown timer. There's about 2 days and 15 hours left as of this recording, which is May 19th, 2022. And the bonuses I'm going to offer you are a video guide on how I would use this Rolodex, as well as some monthly done for you lead magnets. This is PLR that come with reports in PDF and Word, as well as some emails. And I break that all down in the video guide, exactly how to use the Rolodex, as well as the monthly done for you lead magnet packs. And don't forget the limited time bonus of how to make your first $1,000 online. And to get all that, all you have to do is buy the front end and the upsell or the OTO or the one-time offer. So 1 plus 2 equal the bonus. So pick up the guaranteed approval Rolodex and passive faceless profits by clicking the green button before the countdown timer hits 0. And again, here is the funnel for the guaranteed approval Rolodex. It is quite simple. You purchase the guaranteed approval Rolodex for $9.97, and then you purchase the upsell or the one-time offer of Passive Faceless Profits for $27. And Passive Faceless Profits is a YouTube training course that walks you through some channel examples and exactly how to use YouTube to get the traffic you need to promote the offers inside of the Rolodex: health and fitness, make money online, marketing tools, finance, travel, website hosting, food and drink. I started this video showing you Warrior Plus and the way to go about getting approval for those products and requesting and waiting for your approval. Of course, ClickBank, majority of those are free, some are not, but these list products like this. And this is part of the Rolodex that is unique. It actually mentions a partner stack affiliate account, which I was not even aware of myself. So there are little nuggets like this inside of these niches, inside of the guaranteed approval Rolodex. So click the link in the description. It'll take you over to my bonus page. You'll get a video guide on how I would use this Rolodex, monthly done for you lead magnets, as well as the limited time bonus of how to make your first $1,000 online, which is an affiliate marketing training from Tony Newton. And again, here is the funnel: the guaranteed approval Rolodex for $9.97 and passive faceless profits for $27. Very simple funnel, straightforward. Buy the front end, buy the upsell. And this is how you can get guaranteed approval for dozens of high quality affiliate programs, even if you haven't made a single sale online before. Link in the description. Head over to the bonus page, pick it up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.